this witness made possible. What kind of rate? How fast? We might get there in about 10 to 15 seconds. Wow. Well, let's... There you go. Wes Evers, thank you very, very much for coming up. And we'll see you tomorrow. And even you who flies this airplane, you're looking at it, doing a vertical landing. And what was your comment?
Jets aren't supposed to do that.
Yeah, it's wrong, right? But it's right, and it's the Marine Corps. Semper Fi. Thanks very much, Wes.
Thank you very much, sir.
Well, we've got a few people including me as part of their family. They are a great bunch of men and women from the 49th Fighter Wing at Holloman Air Force Base in New Mexico. This is an airplane that's been around. It is so invisible to radar that when it flies in the American airspace system, the maintainers literally put pieces of metal, attach special pieces of metal to the fuselage of the aircraft so that air traffic control radar here in the United States can actually see it. It has a very, very small radar cross-section. If you were to aim a radar transmitter at a 3-ton panel